Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this really cool slime I made. It's this really cool golden holographic slime, and it's actually sponsored by this really nice it's actually a slime maker. So basically it has all the ingredients and everything. And today I did this holographic slime here. You can do many types of slimes, as you can see. And yeah, so basically it's just real fun, and it's sponsored by this Craze Slimy Creations. And yeah, I think it's a really nice name, and all the slimes are cool. And yeah, anyway, other than that, let's get on to the video, cause yeah, so it's gonna be 2 minutes of this. So it's really golden, and it's just so nice. Sorry guys, it's just a bit sticky. So I'm just gonna get my saline because it really helps the slime to be less sticky. And yeah, just gonna put it around. Now it just looks so glossy and cool. It just makes real nice clicks, and yeah. It actually comes down pretty fast, as you can see, because it's a bit thin. It's not thick at all. So now I'm gonna compare the sounds of this puppet and this real cool slime. Now the other side. Now I'm gonna play the slime. To be honest, I think that the puppet's a bit louder than the slime. But now that I heard and noticed the chime of it, it actually sounds pretty much louder for the slime. It has its clicky noises, and cool. And yeah. Thank you guys all so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification button, because by doing that you can actually get updated on all the videos that I post every week. And yeah, it'd just be really cool if you did that. And by the way guys, I just wanted to tell you guys that I just needed one more subscriber to get to 20, and I'm real happy with that. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye guys.